Hello, everyone. My name is Dylan Areno, and I'm the product manager for distribution here at GitLab. And today I'm going to be kicking off our 14.7 release. As always, here is our scheduling issue for 14.7, and our product priorities are operator certification, FIPS compliance, and secrets management. As we continue to move towards operator certification, one of the items that we need to do is test against OpenShift 4.7. And in this work, we have discovered that we need to upgrade our Kubernetes version to 1.22, which is another dependency of actually listing the operator in Operator Hub and the OpenShift operator marketplace. So we need a minimum version of Kubernetes to be 1.22, or at least, 1.22 compliant for this. So this issue will hopefully land in 14.7, which is support for Kubernetes 1.22. Along with this, the new minimum version for our chart is going to be 1.19 for Kubernetes. And this is related to our ingress, our Nginx ingress controller. So the new minimum version for Kubernetes will be 1.19, only for users that are using the bundled ingress controller. So this also relates to, as I mentioned before, listing in the different marketplaces. And essentially, we want to distribute with the operator lifecycle manager. So moving on to our FIPS compliance issues, we want to do our investigation for FIPS compliance on the cloud native side. We've done a number of the items for our omnibus, but now we kind of want to kick off the work for the cloud native distribution. And here's a couple more items, or one of the couple more items that we have for omnibus, which is related to FIPS compliance that we're going to be working on in 14.7. And moving on, this is kind of a tangential related issue to essentially our secure solution for secrets management. It's just security related, and it's one of the ones that we want to pick up in 14.7 as we continue to improve our security posturing for our GitLab distributions for our self-managed users. So we do have a couple more items here. We are actually going to build for SLES 15.2 in 14.7. And we're going to upgrade our builders to use at least Go 1.17. And we're actually going to be building on 1.17.5. So a couple more items I just want to mention that are nice to have items for 14.7. We are investigating how we might use geo-tracking for our Gitly cluster. And moving on to a couple Postgres items. We've got this one here. Console is unable to watch additional Postgres services and perform failover due to hard codes. And also, when using Postgres settings for decision-making, consider the scenario where settings are specified per database and not globally. So we're going to be working on both of these, and these are kind of improvements to a couple of extra things I definitely want to mention in our 14.7 release. So that is our 14.7 release. I'm very excited as we move into the new year. Happy holidays, everyone, and Happy New Year.